Well, well. What are you doing, Papa? That's from yesterday's and the day before that. You ready to open it up? Let's see. Day 3. What is that? Ooh! Hold on! Hold on! Ooh, those look good. All right, let me open it up. Bear, you're in the way. Can't see. Hold on. Gotta give you guys an even amount. What's going on in here? Hold on. I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give a little bear one. Oh, they're kind of tight. Oh, they're kind of rubbery. Hold on. Give me a sec. Hey! Treasure. Man, these are hard to break up apart because, here you go. One for you. And one for you. And another one for you. And then one for Bear. And here, another one for you. And then I'm going to save this one for Bear. And then another one. Hold on, come on. Another one for you. And then this one is for Bear. And because you're the favorite. Shh, don't tell Bear. Another one for you. Okay, so here's some of the chicken jerky that we're going to give Bear. Hold on a sec. All right, now I broke it up. So, oh my gosh, did you just jump on my hand? All right, fine. Here, one more for you. Right there. All right, good job. That was the chicken jerky. That's it. You gotta wait till tomorrow. Good boy.